What's up guys, welcome back to Crypto Christopher's channel. Today I'm bringing you another exciting project review. This one comes with a very specific utility this time, but if you guys will understand it, I think you're going to love this one a lot. So without further ado, let's jump straight down into Obius. So here we are on their website, and straight away we can see that it's very clean. You always love a clean website, right? And from the start, we can see that we are already greeted with this quick explainer that Obius enables the full potential of ERP for Web3 companies. Now, if you don't know what ERP means, it's an acronym for Enterprise Resource Planning. If you don't know what that means either, it refers to a type of software that organizations use to manage day-to-day business activities such as accounting. So, one thing to mention guys, is that this project started in mid-2021 and is releasing the model one after the other. And by the model, I mean the first model, ENV. It's already released and has been working for months without errors on digital invoice and is accessible for everyone. And by that, I mean their DApp. Here we can see that it's still in beta and has been out for over 2 years already, and it's free to use for everyone. One thing worth knowing is that Obius takes a fixed fee of 2% of the paid invoices as well. And one more thing is that Model 2 is almost ready and will be released soon in 2024. And when all models are ready, they will all be combined in an all-in-one software. So that's very awesome guys. If we go back to the website, we can see that the second button encourages us to join their pre-sale, but we will check that out in a moment. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see that their first product is live and we already took a look at it. No fraud, transparent, lower carbon footprint. So here we are greeted with welcome to Obius, where ERP meets blockchain. Obius is blockchain-based ERP software which contains a symbiosis of traditional enterprise resource planning and crypto technology. So basically what we just covered. Traditional enterprise resource planning is not compatible with Web3 guys. And this is where Obius comes in to solve this problem. If we scroll down a little bit, we can read a few points about Obius. So Obius is a blockchain-based all-in-one ERP software solution which unlocks the full potential of ERP for all companies. Every process of workflow is tracked, starting with the goods receipts and ending with the invoice. Not only traditional businesses can use it, their crypto warehouse allows to keep track of every wallet and smart contract that is used. Obius is for startups and Web3 companies, the leaner, more agile, faster, cheaper, comprehensive, and lower risk solution. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can look at their pitch. We won't be doing that in this video because we don't have that much time, of course, but I highly encourage you guys to check that out. They go over a very quick explanation of your project, but it's very in-depth and it will help you understand them very much. Here you can see their white paper, one paper, and media kit. I will leave all of those linked down in the description. The white paper goes into very small details of the project, and of course, it's something that you should read yourself. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can see some of the traditional ERP problems which are being fixed with Obius. So, first problem, which we already talked about, that is not Web3 ready. Second one is that low employee productivity, because it is outdated, it is slow, and it is expensive. Of course, there's no symbiosis of functionalities. There's server inefficiency, there's low data security because traditional ERP is very outdated and goes way back, and third parties take advantage of it. So the current ERP market is completely unaware of crypto and its advantages. That's why Obius is here to fix that problem. Now, these problems are not very familiar for me because of course I don't have a company to use ERP for, but for some company owners out there, tracking all of your business, accounting, and everything else must be complicated, especially when there is no solution in crypto. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can see how are they solving these issues. Well, as a solution, they build an all-in-one blockchain-based ERP software which keeps track of every transaction in the company, regardless of whether you're selling a physical product or a service. All transactions can be originally tracked. Transactions are stored in a decentralized manner and guaranteed the highest security, while it is significantly more efficient than traditional ERP systems. So, as we covered, they have a warehouse server where they are storing all of those transactions for you guys. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can see how the companies profit. So to give the Web3 industry the necessary features, they build an all additional model for crypto management, the so-called crypto warehouse, which keeps track of all wallets of a company. It lets them manage transactions and enable executions of smart contracts for processes like payrolls. Through the crypto warehouse, companies get access to the benefits of commodity and management industry. So, as we just covered, the warehouse, but it doesn't just stop with the warehouse. There are so many more benefits that come with it. You don't need no servers and extended assistant mode. By that they mean their AI is here to help. Symbiosis of functionalities, data is 100% accessible, and there are zero fees. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can see a quick graphic explanation of their pitch. So there's a huge demand of ERP, and the current ERP is inefficient, of course. Large markets with many startups, and for this comes a solution, blockchain-based ERP. So that's the end of the website. We have some socials down here to check out. I'll of course leave them down in the description. But since we're running out of time, one more thing that I want to show you guys is their pre-sale. You will need to register to come here. Just sign up with a quick account. Once you've done that, you will be taken here. You can see that it's currently phase 2 of the pre-sale, so you can buy your token now. 1 OBS equals 0.1 USD. You can see that they have already raised almost 6 million OBS, which amounts to $600,000, and you can buy their token now right here. You can choose whatever you want, USD, Ethereum, BNB, USDT. It's very easy. Just choose your currency, type it in here, and make your payment. So with this being done, that's basically it for Obius, guys. I hope you understood what this project is all about, what it's trying to achieve, and its potential. One more thing that I caught told to say was that Obius works with well-known projects in the crypto space such as Constellation, Chainlink, Morpheus, Konami, and is using its utility to help them. They also have a launchpad that will be coming out soon, and they have well-known advisors in the space such as Benjamin Jogerson, CEO of Constellation, Dr. Kirk Bohm, former NASA scientist, Dr. Linda Ledbetter, Doctor of Economics. So they're already very big guys. They have a bright future, and it's seriously they're the only one in the space that are trying to fix this problem. So they're the only solution right now. They are very small right now, and it's basically a hidden gem, guys. So if you find them interesting, make sure to check them out, read their white paper, read everything in detail, and that's about it for the video. So if you enjoyed this, give this a like. Make sure to comment down below what do you think about this project, and as always guys, I'll make sure to catch you in the next crypto project review.